How to recover Discord account without email. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Discord support and click on search at the bottom right corner. Now under the first website, simply tap on submit a request. Now tap on the options. Now click help and support. Now enter the email address. Now tap on type of question. Now tap on account verification and credentials. Now tap on email verification. Now select I no longer have access to my email account. Now tap on subject. Now type I am unable to log in my Discord account. And also type and I have no access to my email. Now once you're done, simply scroll down, tap on description. Now describe the issue you are facing. Now under attachments, you can attach screenshots or profile page so that it could prove that your account belongs to yours. Now click on submit once you're all done. I hope this should fix the issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.